All right, so for the first question, we're completing the square. And as you know, you have to have the variables on one side of the equals sign. That is the quadratic term, that's the x squared term, and the linear term, that's the non-x squared term, on one side of the equal sign and the number on the other side. We also know that we do not want an a value, Dylan. The a value better be 1. So looking at question 11, do I have both variables on one side of the equal sign?
Yes.
Yeah. Do I have a value of 1? Yeah, so I'm in good shape. So to complete the square, I'm going to rewrite this problem, hopefully with a pen. So I have x squared minus 5x plus blank, we'll figure that out in a little bit, is equal to 2 plus blank. So now we'll remember from yesterday that what goes in the blank is b over 2 squared. And I will also remember that when I factor this, my factored term is going to have the variable, it's going to have the same sign, and it's just going to have b over 2 squared. So I remember that from yesterday, hopefully. And so let's get to it. So my b value is 5. It's actually negative 5, but since we're going to square it, it doesn't, that negative is going to get turned positive anyways, because a negative times a negative is a positive. So I have 5 over 2, and I'm going to square it. And what do I get when I square 5 over 2?
6.25.
I get 6.25, but we're going to keep it in fractional form. We're going to keep it as 25 over 4, because 5 squared is 25, 2 squared is 4. So I can start plugging things in. b divided by 2 squared is 25 over 4. So I'm going to have to do that, add that to both sides of my equal sign. This term in my factored form is just going to be b over 2, which is 5 over 2. And we will remember that 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2 is equal to 10 over 2, which is 5, which is what we have in the middle. So we're in good shape. So let's keep going. So when I'm adding 2 and 25 over 4, what do I need to have? Common denominators. So what is 2 in terms of fourths? 8 fourths. So I have 25 over 4 plus 8 fourths, and that's equal to 33 fourths. So x minus 5 over 2 squared is going to equal 33 over 4. Those numbers aren't very pretty, but there you have it. So what is the opposite of squaring something? Yes, Fabian? Square root. So we will take the square root of both terms. The square root of x minus 5 over 2 squared is x minus 5 over 2. And that's going to equal plus or minus the square root of 33 over 4. Now, the square root of 4 is 2, right? But I don't know the square root of 33. So let's just go ahead and do 33 square root divided by 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. And we get plus or minus 2.87. So now I'm going to have to work in positive and negative land. So positive land, negative land. So we have x minus 5 over 2 is equal to positive 2.87. I should have planned ahead. And in negative world, I have x minus 5 over 2 is equal to negative 2.87. So I'm going to convert these into decimals. That's 2.5. So I'm going to add 2.5 to both sides. So I get x is equal to